Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Oil, Euro, and earnings recap for July 11, 2012. So a very quiet day, even when the FOMC came out. I thought it was a little bit more quiet than anticipated. We see the VIX selling off about 75 cents. And we really didn't get the much movement. We saw a huge sell-off. We made a lower low and a lower high today, so that is bearish. Let's look at it on a 12-minute chart. So today we opened up at this 1335.75. 80% of the time we get the high or low within the first hour. We got the high within the first hour, 1340, and then we sold off. We got down to this 1327.75, and for some reason, I'm not sure exactly why, buyers came into the market and buyers ripped the market higher. We tested close to the 1340 level, and we closed right around this 1336. So for tomorrow, critical levels I'm looking at, this 1333 is a line in the sand. This is where the 50-day moving average is and the 150-day moving average. So 1333 was a battleground, as we see it tested here at 1333. When it broke 1333 to the downside, it got crushed. Then when it broke 1333 to the upside, it popped. So key levels for tomorrow, 1340, 1333, which is kind of the line of sand with the 50 and the 150-day moving average. And today's low of 1327.75. Oil. So oil, and I look at it on a 5-minute bar. So if I looked at it on the 5-minute bar, let me make sure I have the right time frame here too. So oil opened up this morning. Got the low around this 10 o'clock area, which is around 84.68. Rallied much higher, about a $2 rally in oil. I haven't been trading much oil lately. If you looked at the daily chart, overlapping bars, are we starting to get into this zone? Maybe a trading range between this area of 89 and 81, and I think we still can test to the downside, so I'd rather be a seller of an oil than a buyer. But oil, not much going on. If we looked at the euro today as well, I continue to be short the euro, and I'm basically always short the euro. Pop back at the end of the day, 122 half level. I was trying to buy 122.01s. I think we retest down to this 118.74 level. That will be my target to the downside. A couple earnings I want to talk about that I've been playing. Alcoa is one of them. And in Alcoa, I'm short a call spread, and that's working out really nicely. Another one, ADTN, and this was the trade of the day on my website, KeeneOnTheMarket.com, free trade of the day. It gapped lower. I thought it was going to go lower. I had a put fly on, so I was long the 27s. I was short twice as many of the 24s, and I was long the 21s. I put this on for 75 cents. I took a double off today at $1.70. So a double in this position, and I've been trading earnings really well. We had a premium webinar last week talking about earnings, historical movement versus an implied movement, measured move targets, how I put on trades. The measured move target said the stock was going to go to 24. It opened up at 24, did sell off at a little bit. I took half my position off. I'm leaving the other half on. So nice trade in ADTN. Another one I had on for earnings was OCZ. And I was short this one too. I bought some put spreads in this. I bought the 5-4 put spreads for 30 cents. I sold some of them out today at 60. So taking a double and moving on. I've been trading earnings very well. I had a nice winner in Alcoa. These are both winning plays. We will have another premium. It will not be a premium. We'll have another webinar on earnings on this Sunday. And it'll be talking about this, the HIM Cribbit trading plan. Historical movement, last 4 quarters. Implied movement, how much the stock is implying it will move. How does the chart look? My risk, my reward, my break even, time, and target. So we'll do this on Sunday. There are a limited amount of seats, so if you want to get in the webinar, we will cap this at a certain number. The proprietary software and the information I provide, we can only let a certain amount of people in. You can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com to get in the webinar. We do have a limited seats, so act fast. Also, if you want a free trial for the live trading room, trading equity options, futures, and forex, you can email me sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night, and we'll run it back tomorrow.